guys, welcome back to the Kessler Show. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all my fidgets with penny pinchers. So we're going to start off with poppets. I'm going to show you 3 at a time. So first I have this rainbow poppet. Next, this is my little sister's poppet. And she just keeps it in my bin because she doesn't want to lose it, I guess. Next, I have this bow poppet. And I have another unicorn one, but except for this one is mine. And then another unicorn one, which is also mine. And I have a flamingo poppet and an elephant puppet and then a pineapple puppet, heart puppet, another heart puppet, llama puppet, clam or oyster, clam or oyster, I'm not too sure. It's got little oyster things on it. Then this cat one has fishes on it. I think this is Hello Kitty, I'm not too sure. Then I have this Among Us one. And moving on with those puppets, these are all my mini puppets. One of my first ever puppets. And a little pineapple one. Can't see because how bright it is in here. And then a little pink pineapple puppet. Okay, next I'm going to show you my wacky tracks. These are all my wacky tracks. My grandma bought me like 25 of these. And then I gave most of them to people at church, but those are the ones that I had left. And next I have squishies. This is really hard. And then I have this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, next with Simple Dimples poppet things that aren't poppets. I have this rubber Simple Dimple that my best friend gave me. Then this painter's palette dimple. And then this really small simple dimple but like bear eyes. Then I have a telephone dimple. And then a dimple digit, simple dimple, spinner, has little bubbles on it. And another one that my little cousin gave me. Next is fidget spinners without the pops. Oops. This one is a very thick one. And you can spin it, 2 ways. Then I have these 2 little tiny ones. Next I have marble and meshes. These are all of them. Next, I will be showing you, oh, I forgot, this butterfly dimple. Then my mom's least favorite fidget in the whole world, pop tube. She hates them so much. She told me that I'm not allowed to pop them whenever she's around. Well, not really whenever she was around, but she said she hates them so much. This was my first ever fidget. I used to have that stress ball, the little, well, it wasn't little, but the glitter gray sparkly one, and that one popped, but these, I don't know if these are considered fidgets, but they're little spiky balls. And then my friend gave me this. And then these acupressure rings. Oh, there's dog hair all over everything. Yeah. Did I say 2 acupressure rings? I don't know what I'm saying. But then this magnet beads. And then this fidget pad. And then next I have these mochis. We don't really talk about them because they're so dirty and I hate stuff that's dirty. Just bugs me so much. I have 2 of these. The other one's over here. Open it. Okay. Here's the other one. And next I have this snake. I lost the other one. I was playing with it last night and now it's gone. And I have this little peanut popper. And this little zipper bracelet. And then I have this cube. What's this called? I don't know what this is called. Puzzle ball, I think. And that will be the end of the video. And here's Penny. She's so tired. Thank you guys so much for watching. And